my channel. Today I have an unboxing and I am so excited to show you what I got. As you can see in the title that it is a Tory Burch item, and I am so excited because I saw this online and I just had to get it. It is just such a beautiful color. So let me go ahead and show you my packaging here. I got this through the mail and I just received it 3 days ago. Look at the beautiful packaging, you guys. And look at the, here you go. Let me go ahead and show you what kind of boots that I got, just in case when you see this video you do decide you like this. Because this boots here, you guys, is stunning and it's going to be perfect for me in the fall. So let me go ahead and open this. They did amazing on the packaging, but I had already opened it so it doesn't look the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and take everything out and show you what I got. Okay, now look at the bag that it has that you can stick your shoes inside. I thought their bag is just gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, and my receipt. They gave me a beautiful thank you card. I thought that was awesome. Tory Burch does such a good job. And here we go, you guys. Look at that gorgeous piece. I think the heel height, I'm not really, I don't know if I can really remember it, but I think it's 2 3/4 or 2 1/2. I'm not really sure. And I don't like to go really over 3, so this was just perfect for me. Now on the website I read everybody's review and it says that this thing runs small. Okay, I've read many reviews before when I purchase shoes and it'll say it runs small, but every time I do a half size up it never fits me. So this time I ignored what it said and I just got my true size, which is a 6, and you guys, it fits me perfectly. So I don't know why I can fit shoes even though if they say it runs small, but this thing just fits me perfect. Everybody's feet is shaped differently, so maybe that is the case. So here we go. Look at that. It's a nice beautiful block heel. This thing is very well made. It looks expensive. It's got brass hardware off to the side here, and look at that. How pretty is that? And you can actually undo this and open it and pull it open more so your feet can slide right in. And this is perfect because I have high arches, and usually when you have high arches up on top here, sometimes it's hard to slide your foot in because the top of your foot has more of an arch also. That's in my case. So these boots are just stunning to me. And it comes in 2 different colors. This one is more of a taupe color, and then there is one that's kind of greenish, I guess, an olive color. And I don't really wear olive that much, and this I felt was definitely me. And sometimes when I look online, I don't always fall in love with the shoes right away unless I've seen it in person. But when I saw this one, I had to order it. I got this when Tory Burch was having a, I think it was 25% off or 20. I'm not really sure, so don't quote me on that. But that was maybe 2 weeks ago. I'm not sure. So look at that stunning piece. I am definitely going to do a mod shot for you guys with these boots. So let me go ahead and get these on so you guys can see what it looks like. So please stay tuned. Okay, you guys, as you can see here, how gorgeous these boots are. It's not tight at the ankle, which I like because a lot of my boots are. So it kind of gives that loose look, but I am loving it. I love the color of these boots. I feel that they will go with a lot more of my clothes. What do you guys think? Isn't that gorgeous? So anyways, you guys, what do you think about my new gorgeous Tory Burch boots, suede boots. I am loving it. I can't wait to wear it. I have not worn it yet, even though if I had it for about 3 or 4 days. I am so ready to. It is just stunning, and it's so me. So anyways, you guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will have a whole lot more videos coming, and if you have any video requests, I am so glad to do